Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this really beautiful, one-of-a-kind, super unique vehicle here. You don't see too many of these out there. This is the 2017 Alfa Romeo Giulia. This is the TI version, two-wheel drive. They make this in a quadrifoglio, which has a twin-turbo V6. They also make a base sport model, and then you get the TI, so this one comes with a 2.0 turbocharged engine. They do make these in all-wheel drive. This one is two-wheel drive. Beautiful black on black. Very unique Alfa wheels. I haven't seen one yet with this same Alfa wheel setup. The nice yellow calipers. Comes with nice high-intensity discharge headlights. Also has LiDAR cruise, that menacing front grille, and the powerful 2.0 turbocharged engine. This one comes with a race chip that is built into the boost pressure sensor. So from time to time you get an intermittent check engine light just because it's not the factory specification. So with that taken off, the vehicle would be fine. You would never see that, but with that race chip on, it just comes on sometimes it doesn't. So no big deal there. It runs beautifully with the race chip. It adds extra horsepower, so it's a lot of fun to drive. Has multiple race mode or driving modes. To include race, dynamic, and eco. It comes with four-wheel disc brakes. It also has run-flat Bridgestone tires all the way around, new tires. Even though the date codes are dated older, they are new old stock tires, but the paint's in perfect condition, very nice. Comes with that nice wood grain look, and it does look like real natural wood, so that is beautiful. Comes with a full leather interior, door panels, and dashboard included. And then it also comes with the upgraded Harman Kardon sound system, the Alfa Romeo brushed nickel kick plates, and then these nice bolstered seats. So power options include windows, locks, mirrors, and dual seats. Comes with the original owner's manual, some maintenance records from the dealer. This vehicle had an extended warranty, so it had some dealer work done to it. Comes with automatic dual zone climate controls, USB connectivity. Also has Bluetooth, dual cup holders, LED interior lighting. Has the nice BMW shift knob there, electronic shifter, electronic parking brake, and then the selector switch for the stereo, volume knob, and then here's the dynamic driving modes. Nice spacious center console armrest. You can keep the key there. Comes with a USB auxiliary port in there as well too. Auto dimming rear view mirror, LED map lighting, and room interior lighting. And it also comes with dual illuminated vanity mirrors, and it does come equipped with HomeLink. And the Bluetooth speakers are on each side, which is pretty nice. Comes with tinted windows all the way around. The Alfa Romeo is a very unique car. Factory floor mats throughout, rear AC. Also has a center console fold-down armrest with dual cup holders. And then it has split-fold 60/40 rear seats with child anchors. Keyless smart entry for this one to gain access in the front passenger or driver side with the smart entry. No dings, dents, scratches. Is in near perfect, brand new, flawless condition. Comes with dual exit exhaust. It also has park assist, so it has proximity sensors in the front and rear bumper to let you know how close you are to any danger for scratching the body. And then battery compartment here on that right side. It also comes equipped with a tire inflator kit. Rear backup camera on this one. The Giulia designation there. Very, very beautiful car. 3 previous owners, no reported accidents, AutoCheck certified vehicle. Power windows, all automatic, and it has power side folding mirrors, so when you lock the car, the mirrors fold in. Gives you all the nice luxury features, and then the trunk and hood release is down below. It has an automatic start-stop system, the park assist, automatic front headlights, as well as a fog light system, interior illumination, front headlights, and interval front wipers. And then on the multi-function steering wheel, we get our start-stop button, as well as LiDAR cruise, and then Bluetooth and stereo functions as well too. So the vehicle starts right up. It has an oil change required light. Even though the oil has been changed, you do have to reset those at the dealer with dealer software. So that's just something we just don't have for this vehicle. So the oil is changed, it's ready to go. So you can change the media and go through all the different AM, FM, and then satellite radio. And then as you can see, you can change the drive modes to an eco, to a neutral, and then a race mode. AC's ice cold, no problems there. Everything's properly working. 40,000 original miles. Revs up nicely, it idles smoothly. There you have it, folks. One of the most unique cars out there on the road today, the Alfa Romeo Giulia. You will be the talk of the town. You will be the eye-catching car at any gas station or parking lot. It is a very unique vehicle. It's a very affordable vehicle, and it's a super clean vehicle. You can come down and see us with this really nice, rare 2017 Alfa Romeo Giulia TI. You can find exclusively on our website at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.